The rhythmic pulse of the ship's engine was my music. The smell of grease and oil, my perfume. This was my world, my engine room. I started as a young marine engineer. Every day was a new challenge, every challenge a chance to learn. My hands were calloused, my mind was sharp. I learned the intricate workings of these powerful machines. Each gear, each valve had a voice. I learned to listen, to understand, to solve. Years passed. I yearned for more. My passion for problem-solving grew. I saw inefficiencies, not just in the engine room, but across the entire operation. This led me to a new challenge: operations management. The transition wasn't easy. This was a different world. Boardrooms replaced engine rooms, data replaced wrenches, but my core remained the same. The language changed, the problems changed, but the drive remained. Identify the problem, analyze it, solve it. This was my mantra. From optimizing fuel consumption to streamlining logistics, I found ways to make things better, more efficient, more impactful.
Hi everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity today share my life journey from engine room to the boardroom. I am Indika. My journey started full of challenges, opportunity and growth. It might seem the word apart moving from engineering to the operation management, but there is a common thread that's solving problem and making things better. It is this a journey I encounter with responsibility and opportunity that have shaped not only my career, the person who I am. A lot of things change, including cooking for the kids on weekend. It might be sound simple, but it is grounded activity that bring me back to my roots. Let's share joy with food. It's feeling balance that the professional life and what real life you have to do. I often attend in various functions, keeping life dynamic and adding to the social touch to my professional journey.
My Fiverr journey map in the presentation will show my professional life. Currently, I am working as a trainee operations manager at an Australian manufacturing company, specializing in microcellular filler and filtering medium production. This role has allowed me to apply my technical expertise and management skills, building on a diverse career that began as a marine engineering cadet. I advanced to an engineer position with a Singapore-based oil and chemical tanker company and later served as a tug chief engineer for Hyundai Engineering and Construction on the Colombo Port expansion project. Since migrating to Australia in 2009, I have continued to progress in my career, taking on roles such as marine technician, maintenance fitter and maintenance supervisor at McConnell Dowell Constructors, as well as workshop supervisor at Yanmar Australia. As a member of the safety leadership team and an occupational health and safety OHS representative at McConnell Dowell, I've worked closely with diverse teams, fostering a culture of safety and compliance. My technical expertise spans various industries with a focus on preventive maintenance, risk assessments and performance monitoring programs. Here are some key highlights of my qualifications. I'm currently pursuing a graduate certificate in business administration at RMIT. I hold an advanced diploma in mechanical engineering from Swinburne University. I have a diploma in workplace health and safety from Chisholm Institute and a diploma in marine surveying from the Australian Maritime College. I'm certified in training and assessment and possess a certificate of competency as a marine engineer, up to 3,000 kilowatts on near coastal voyages. With 69 months of sea service experience, I have extensive hands-on experience with heavy diesel engines, multi-generator sets and steam boilers. I am proficient in AutoCAD, SolidWorks and computer-based maintenance systems. Additionally, I bring experience in project management and have contributed to large-scale projects, including the T155 rail project for FMG Mining and shutdown work for ARTC. One of my proudest achievements was being invited to join the Course Advisory Committee for Advanced Diploma Engineering Mechanical and Electrical at Swinburne University. To navigate this journey effectively, I have utilized the SWOT framework to craft my personal brand. This approach has provided valuable insights into my strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Today, I want to share how I'm taking this analysis a step further with a TOES analysis, which will help me strategically align my path forward. The TOES analysis is a strategic planning tool used to understand the relationship between an organization's internal strengths and weaknesses and the external opportunities and threats. By analyzing these factors, we can develop strategies that leverage strengths, address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. By focusing on the strength and opportunity combinations, I aim to capitalize on my capabilities and seize emerging opportunities in the industry. For example, my strong foundation in operations and safety leadership allows me to explore roles that require innovative solutions in these areas. On the flip side, with the strength and threat scenarios, I plan to deploy my core competencies proactively to counteract potential challenges. The diverse industries I've worked in, including rail, marine, and construction, have equipped me with a unique perspective and adaptability that I can leverage to navigate external threats effectively. In addressing the weakness and opportunity pairings, I see my limitations not as barriers, but as areas for growth. For instance, while I'm currently completing my graduate certificate in business administration, I view this as an opportunity to turn any perceived weaknesses into avenues for improvement. This continuous learning mindset is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. Lastly, through the weakness and threat lens, I'm committed to building robust strategies to mitigate risks. By reinforcing my personal brand and professional expertise, I'm ensuring that I stay resilient and adaptable, no matter what comes my way. I'm excited to share with you my strategic plan for advancing in business management by completing a graduate certificate in business administration and obtaining a project management certification within the next 12 months. My ultimate goal is to combine my engineering and safety expertise with formal business knowledge, to transition into senior roles effectively. To keep my efforts focused, I've developed a SMART goal to guide me. Here's how it breaks down. First, I aim to complete the graduate certificate in business administration with a GPA of 3.5 or higher. This part of the goal is essential, as it will allow me to bridge the gap in my formal business education and lay a foundation in critical areas like business strategy, finance, and management. I've allocated the first 8 months for this, dedicating about 10 hours per week to coursework and final assessments. Secondly, while working on the graduate certificate, I'll also start preparing for a project management certification like PMP. This step is key for demonstrating my project management skills. Skills that are valuable for roles requiring large-scale project coordination. I'll begin certification preparation in the 5th month and aim to take the official exam in the 12th month. That's why I'm proactively seeking guidance from mentors in senior management roles. I plan to hold monthly sessions with mentors, both to gain insights into business strategy and to receive feedback on my progress. These regular check-ins will help me stay focused and make adjustments as necessary to keep on track with my goal. Throughout this process, I'm mindful of the changing landscape in business and industry. With technology and regulations evolving rapidly, I've committed to continuously learning, upskilling, and staying adaptable. I'll review my progress quarterly to ensure that I'm addressing both strengths and challenges that may arise. Finally, let me briefly outline the timeline with the help of a Gantt chart. Months 1 to 8 will focus on coursework and exams for the graduate certificate. Months 5 to 12 are dedicated to project management certification, beginning with choosing the certification, enrolling in the program, and progressing with exam preparation. Monthly mentorship meetings will run throughout the year, helping me remain aligned with my goals and receive valuable guidance from industry experts. By achieving this SMART goal, I'll be in a stronger position for senior roles, where my combined engineering, safety and business skills can truly make an impact. Thank you for listening to my plan. I'm excited to see where this journey takes me.
Hey there, professionals. Today, let's dive into the remarkable journey of Indika Kandagama and how he mastered the art of personal branding. Personal branding. It's not just a buzzword, it's what people think of when they hear your name, especially when you're not in the room. It's about the legacy you leave behind and how you're perceived in your professional circle. And no one demonstrates this better than Indika Kandagama. Indika believes in creating a culture where safety and efficiency go hand in hand. Think about that for a second. Safety isn't just a box to tick, it's a fundamental part of who you are and how you operate. Indika didn't just talk the talk, he walked the walk. He empowered his teams to achieve outstanding results while minimizing risks and enabling growth. So how did he do it? It all starts with a clear vision. Indika set out to build a legacy where safety was paramount, not just for compliance, but as a core value. This vision was communicated consistently, ensuring that everyone on his team understood the importance of safety and efficiency. Next, he focused on empowerment. Indika recognized that the best results come from teams that feel valued and capable. He invested time in training and development, making sure his team had the tools and knowledge to succeed. By doing so, he created an environment where people were motivated to perform at their best while staying safe. But it wasn't just about the professional aspect. Indika's personal brand was also built on trust and integrity. He was known for his honesty and transparency. This fostered a culture of open communication where team members felt comfortable sharing their ideas and concerns. One of the key elements in Indika's approach was leading by example. He didn't just delegate tasks, he rolled up his sleeves and got involved. His actions spoke louder than words, showing his commitment to safety and efficiency. Another critical factor was continuous improvement. Indika understood that personal branding is not a one-time effort. It requires ongoing attention and adaptation. He regularly assessed the effectiveness of his strategies and made adjustments as needed. This proactive mindset helped him stay ahead of the curve and maintain a strong personal brand. So what can you take away from Indika's journey? Firstly, define your vision and communicate it clearly. Secondly, empower your team and invest in their growth. Thirdly, build trust through honesty and transparency. Lead by example and never stop improving. Remember, personal branding matters. It's what sets you apart and makes you memorable. By following Indika Kandagama's example, you can build a legacy that reflects your values and drives your success.